And now it is finally time for soap number 9 of our 9-part space collection, Neptune. For Neptune, I wanted something bright and blue for the scent, and I'm not entirely sure why, but when I sniff Volcano from Aztec, I think of blues. So that's what I went with. Now, Neptune and Uranus are really close in color, so I stuck with the electric blue and the Caribbean blue from Nurture Soap that we used in the last one. However, we did not add in the titanium dioxide, so both electric and Caribbean blues stay nice and bright for Neptune. For our swirl, you guessed it, in the pot swirl. We're going to use this to make sure that our blues are swirled nicely throughout the entire column. In addition to our swirl, Neptune, just like Jupiter, has a big spot. Neptune's is blue. So I made this column the day before and did it with the Caribbean blue from Nurture Soap. And now coming back after our second 24-hour wait time, after we waited for our column, and now we get to unmold our whole Neptune soap and cut in to see our nice blues swirled around our big blue spot. If you want to see more soap making with different techniques, different colors, different scents, and different designs, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you liked what you saw in this video, make sure to hit the like button and stay tuned.